There are two capacitors, each of capacitance 2 microfarad. They are connected in parallel and a 25 ohm resistance is there connected with a 6 volt battery. Now the question is that after the switch is closed, then 0.2 millisecond after, how much charge will be there on each capacitor, that has to be found. So after closing the switch, let us assume that Q will be the total charge stored on the capacitor. तो चूंकि ये पैरेलल में है तो चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड विल बी इक्वल, तो दोनों पे Q by 2 charge will be there. Now as the two capacitors are connected in parallel, the equivalent capacitance will be C1 plus C2, that is equal to 4 microfarad. Now the circuit reduces to RC in series. There is a resistor, a capacitor connected with a battery. There is 25 ohm resistor, 4 microfarad capacitor and 6 volt battery. So while charging of capacitor, the charge on the capacitor is given to be Q is equal to Q naught 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau, and this is the charge at any instant to be equal to Q naught is C into V into 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau is nothing but RC. Now if we put the values, it is C is to be 4 into 10 to the power minus 6, V is 6, 1 minus e to the power minus, time is given to be 0.2 millisecond. So it is 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 by R is given to be 25 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. So this is equal to 24 into 10 to the power minus 6, 1 minus e to the power minus 2, or it is equal to 24 into 1 minus 1 by e square microcoulomb is the total charge. So charge on each capacitor Q by 2 is equal to 12 into 1 minus 1 by e square microcoulomb, and if we put the values 12 into 1 minus 0.37 square microcoulomb, and this gives us the answer to be equal to 10.37 microcoulomb. So this is the amount of charge on each capacitor after 0.2 millisecond.